The slow-moving airport conveyor belt can crush your dream holiday in seconds. One wrong bag, one overstuffed pouch, one almost compliant toiletry kit, and suddenly everything grinds to a halt. Security pulls the bag aside, zippers unzip, liquids spill into plastic bins, expensive serums tossed, travel momentum takes a jolt, and you're left fuming and hopeless. This is not rare, this is routine. What many travelers call TSA-Approved is actually strict compliance with the 311 rule, which means liquids must be under 100 milliliters and fit inside a single clear quart-size bag. Anything outside that neat little universe risks delays, confiscation, and frustration that lingers long after takeoff. A good TSA-approved toiletry bag does not just carry items. It isn't just easy to handle. It acts like a backstage pass through airport security. It glides, it clears, it disappears from scrutiny. And that is exactly what this video is about. Best picks for TSA-compliant toiletry bags that help travelers move through security like a whisper instead of a warning siren. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more brutally honest travel gear breakdowns that actually save you from airport chaos. Time to begin. Number 1. Bagsmart Clear Toiletry Bag. The bag is known for durability, visibility, and smooth airport checks. This is the kind of bag that behaves like it knows airport rules better than most travelers. Completely transparent, quart-sized, and built with reinforced seams, it checks every compliance box without trying too hard. The clarity is its superpower. Security agents do not need to dig. Everything is visible at a glance. That alone cuts seconds, sometimes minutes, off screening time. What makes this one stand out among bestsellers is its balance. Not too flimsy like disposable zip bags, not too bulky like over-engineered organizers. It sits right in that sweet spot where structure meets flexibility. The zippers glide instead of snagging, which matters more than expected when standing in a tense security line. The material resists leaks and wipes clean easily, so even a shampoo mishap does not turn into a disaster. This is not flashy, it is efficient, and in airports, efficiency wins. Number 2. Amazon Basics Hanging Toiletry Bag Organizer. A highly rated hanging toiletry organizer with multiple compartments for structured packing. This one plays a slightly different game. While it is not fully clear, it often comes with a removable clear pouch that handles TSA compliance, while the rest of the bag organizes everything else like a disciplined librarian. It unfolds into a hanging system, turning cramped hotel bathrooms into organized spaces. Bottles stay upright, brushes stay separate. Chaos is quietly eliminated. For travelers who carry more than just the basics, this is a strategic upgrade. Instead of cramming everything into a single pouch, this system separates liquids from dry items, aligning perfectly with TSA expectations. The hook design is deceptively powerful. It keeps items accessible without spreading them across questionable bathroom counters. This is not just about passing security. This is about maintaining order from departure to destination. Number 3. Packism TSA-Approved Clear Toiletry Bag. A durable quart-size clear bag designed specifically for TSA 311 compliance and frequent travel. This bag is engineered with one mission: get through security without friction. It adheres closely to quart-size dimensions, something surprisingly rare. Many so-called compliant bags stretch beyond limits, but this one stays disciplined, which matters when rules are enforced strictly. The material is thick enough to hold shape, but flexible enough to squeeze into tight carry-ons. That combination creates a reliable travel companion that does not crack under pressure. The zipper seal is tight, reducing the chance of leaks escaping into luggage. And since everything is visible, there is no fumbling or second-guessing at checkpoints. Think of it as a transparent shield. It shows everything, hides nothing, and gets approved faster because of it. Number 4. Samsonite Travel Essentials Hanging Toiletry Kit. A premium hanging toiletry kit from a trusted travel brand with organized compartments and durability. When a brand like Samsonite enters the scene, expectations rise, and this bag meets them with quiet authority. It blends structure with convenience. Multiple compartments, durable fabric, and a smart layout make it ideal for longer trips where organization matters as much as compliance. While not fully transparent, It often pairs with clear compartments or separate liquid bags to meet TSA standards. This hybrid approach gives flexibility without sacrificing efficiency. The stitching feels like it could survive years of travel abuse. Zippers are sturdy. Compartments are thoughtfully sized. This is less about minimalism and more about control. Everything has a place, and nothing moves unless intended. For travelers who value reliability over gimmicks, this bag delivers. Number 5. CableintheBay TSA-Approved Clear Travel Toiletry Bag. A compact, fully transparent quart-size bag designed for fast airport security clearance. This bag is brutally simple, and that is exactly why it works. No extra compartments, no unnecessary design flourishes. Just a clean, transparent pouch that aligns perfectly with TSA liquid rules. Its compact size ensures it never crosses compliance limits. That alone eliminates the risk of being stopped for inspection. The material is sturdy enough to resist tearing but light enough to carry without adding weight. It feels like a modern upgrade to the classic Ziploc, but without the fragility. For minimalists or short-trip travelers, this is a no-nonsense solution that does one job extremely well. And in airports, clarity equals speed. Number 6. Borsali Clear Toiletry Bags for traveling. A durable, transparent toiletry bag designed for TSA compliance and frequent travel use. This one leans into durability. The material is thicker than most clear bags, giving it a sturdier feel that holds shape even when packed tight. That structure makes it easier to organize items inside without everything collapsing into a messy pile. Visibility remains clear, which keeps security checks smooth and predictable. The zipper quality stands out. It does not feel like it will fail mid-trip, which is a common weakness in cheaper alternatives. It is slightly more robust than minimalist options, making it ideal for travelers who want something long-lasting rather than disposable. This is the kind of bag that quietly survives trip after trip without demanding attention. Number 7. HOTOR Travel Toiletry Bag with Hanging Hook. A spacious hanging toiletry organizer with smart compartments and travel-friendly design. This bag is built for travelers who refuse to compromise on organization. It opens like a compact wardrobe for toiletries. Multiple compartments, elastic straps, and mesh pockets create a system where everything has a designated place. While not fully clear, it works best when paired with a compliant liquid pouch inside. This combination allows travelers to pass security smoothly while still enjoying full organization at the destination. The hanging hook transforms any space into a functional setup. No clutter, no searching, everything within reach. It is slightly larger, but that size brings structure and convenience that frequent travelers appreciate deeply. This is not just a bag. It is a portable organization system. The right toiletry bag is not about style. It is about survival in a system that rewards precision and punishes carelessness. Buying tips to pick the right bag. The first and most critical factor is true quart-size compliance. Many bags claim to be TSA approved but secretly stretch beyond the allowed dimensions. That tiny difference can trigger inspections. The safest choice is a bag that strictly follows the 3-1-1 rule, meaning it comfortably fits liquids under 100 milliliters inside one quart-size transparent pouch. If it looks oversized, it probably is. Transparency is non-negotiable for speed. A fully clear bag acts like a glass window into your packing habits. Security agents scan it instantly, which keeps the line moving. Frosted, tinted, or semi-transparent materials invite extra scrutiny. Clear wins every time. Material thickness is another silent game changer. Cheap bags crumple, tear, and leak. High-quality PVC or EVA materials with reinforced seams hold their shape and survive repeated trips. Thicker construction also prevents embarrassing leaks from escaping into luggage, something frequent travelers learn the hard way. Zipper quality is where many bags fail dramatically. A stiff or flimsy zipper turns into a bottleneck during security checks. Smooth, wide-opening zippers allow quick access and faster repacking. It may sound small, but in a crowded airport, seconds matter. Structure versus flexibility is a balancing act. A bag that collapses into a shapeless pouch becomes messy and slow to handle. One with slight structure keeps bottles upright and visible, making inspections almost effortless. The best designs sit right in between, flexible enough to fit, structured enough to organize. Capacity should match travel style, not ego. Overpacking a toiletry bag is one of the fastest ways to fail compliance. Minimalists benefit from compact clear pouches, while heavier packers should use a two-part system. A clear quart bag for liquids paired with a larger organizer for everything else. This strategy aligns perfectly with how airport security expects items to be separated. Leak resistance is often ignored until disaster strikes. A single loose cap can turn a premium bag into a sticky nightmare. Look for tight seals, reinforced edges, and materials that wipe clean easily. The best bags act like containment chambers, not just carriers. Ease of cleaning matters more than expected. Travel exposes bags to spills, dust, and moisture. A good toiletry bag should wipe clean in seconds, not demand scrubbing sessions in hotel sinks. And finally, think about accessibility. Bags that open wide or lay flat reduce friction at every stage of travel. Whether it is pulling items out at security or grabbing essentials mid-flight, accessibility turns chaos into control. These are not luxury considerations. These are survival tactics in a system that rewards precision. Air travel rewards preparedness and punishes carelessness. Not carrying a TSA-approved toiletry bag can lead to a bitter, unpleasant travel experience. It can cause delay, disruption, and sometimes even lead to confiscation of your costly items. But the right bag changes the game. Security becomes a formality. Packing becomes predictable. And travel feels controlled instead of chaotic. These 7 options are not random picks. They are proven performers trusted by frequent travelers, reviewers, and travel experts who understand how unforgiving airport systems can be. Choose wisely, pack deliberately, and walk through security like it is designed to work in your favor. If this breakdown helped avoid travel headaches and wasted time, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. More sharp, no-nonsense travel gear guides are on the way, built to make every trip smoother, faster, and smarter.